Speaking of Congress, Congress leader Prithviraj Chavan's bizarre comments asking whether what happened with Venezuela could happen with India has led to a barrage of ridicule and jokes from social media, all pointed at him. Referring to the nighttime US military action in Venezuela that led to the capture of President Nicolas Maduro, the Congress leader asked a question which many on social media took as a joke due to its absurdity. Will something like what happened in Venezuela happen in India? Will Mr. Trump kidnap our Prime Minister is the question Chavan had posed.
%50 टैरिफ से कोई व्यापार संभव नहीं है। यानी एक तरह से उन्होंने अमेरिका भारत का व्यापार पर विशेषकर भारत से जो माल निर्यात होता है उसको बंद कर दिया है, टैरिफ लगाकर बंद कर दिया है, क्योंकि हम डायरेक्ट बंद नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए टैरिफ का इस्तेमाल किया है। सिर्फ टैरिफ से कोई फ़र्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है, और 50% लगा दें, व्यापार तो पहले से बंद है, निर्यात तो हो नहीं रहा है, हो ही नहीं सकता। तो अब सवाल ये कि क्या जो वेनेजुएला में हुआ इस तरह से कुछ होगा क्या भारत में, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को किडनैप करके ट्रम्प साहब ले जाएंगे क्या? अब वही बात बची है बस।
कभी समाजवादी पार्टी भारत की तुलना बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, श्रीलंका से करती है। कभी कांग्रेस पार्टी के लोग बोलते हैं जो बांग्लादेश में वो भारत में हो जाए। कभी वो कामना करते, दुआ करते हैं कि यहाँ के युवा भी लाठी डंडे उठा ले, हिंसा करे। और अब तो वेनेजुएला से तुलना करने की आदत बन चुकी है। सुरेंद्र राजपूत हो, पृथ्वीराज चवन हो, और इस प्रकार का घटिया ओछा बयान, मतलब कि एक व्यक्ति का विरोध करते करते देश के लोकतंत्र का विरोध, देश की नीतियों का विरोध, देश का विरोध करना और इस प्रकार की कामना, इस प्रकार की दुआ मांगना। भारत की स्टेट के खिलाफ राहुल गांधी बोलते हैं हम लड़ रहे हैं, तो राहुल गांधी से ही प्रेरणा पाते हुए सेना पर, सनातन पर और स्टेट पर भी सवाल खड़े करने का काम पृथ्वीराज चवन कर रहे हैं।
The context in which he made is, still something that is baffling minds, because is he criticizing US policy? Is he suggesting something like this could actually take place in India? It's unclear what Prithviraj Chavan was hinting at. But this is now coming in line of another comment that did not attract a lot of, support for him, which is that he criticized Operation Sindoor or suggested that India was the loser during Operation Sindoor. So two comments back to back now. Yesha Kotak is joining us. Yesha, any more clarifications coming in from Mr. Chavan? Exactly what did he mean?
After this very statement of Prithviraj Chavan came to forth, he's not really spoken much about this very context. In fact, the statement that we've heard that Prithviraj Chavan made yesterday, he's gone ahead to question the 50% tariff imposed by the US on India. And, he's been critical of this very stance. In fact, in the bite that we've in fact heard, he's also gone ahead to state that because there cannot be a direct ban on the trade that can be imposed by the United States is where they've imposed a 50% tariff. And further going to compare India with Venezuela, saying that the only thing that remains next is for the US to in fact kidnap Prime Minister Narendra Modi, similar to that of the Venezuela president. However, this is something that has not really gone well. Questions have been raised and Chauhan has been called out for being critical on an international platform, stating that such statements that are made by the Congress leader could only hamper the image of the country on an international platform. Like we've rightly spoken about, this is not the first such instance. Over the last couple of weeks, there have been several statements of Prithviraj Chauhan, that have really not gone well. Like we've spoken about, just a couple of weeks back, Prithviraj Chauhan also went ahead to say that there should be an inquiry into the Operation Sindoor and Pahalgam attack. And when he was asked whether he would really want to apologize for making such statement which would question, the defense forces and the central government, he was unapologetic about it, saying that he believes that there have been questions that should be raised, because that very statement of Prithviraj Chauhan also came in with the fact that he was questioning the defense forces, stating that if the future wars are conducted through Air Force, and what is the use of the army really. So clearly after that very statement, another critical statement by Prithviraj Chauhan coming in. However, we've seen that the Congress has not really spoken much about this, not gone further to in fact side Prithviraj Chauhan, and that was the case even with his statement that he made when it comes to the question on Operation Sindoor and Pahalgam attack. Yes.
All right, Yesha, thanks a lot for joining us. But remember, as far as this Venezuelan campaign by the US president is concerned, it is drawing a lot of attention internationally. And there are, of course, concerns globally.